Welcome back to another video, another day, day 4 and last day in Beijing before we move to the next location. So today's plan is to visit Tiananmen Square. If you don't know what it is where this famous picture was taken. A really important part of Chinese history, Chinese political history. But before we do that, we have to go get some breakfast, of course, at our favorite place, 7-Eleven. Our method of transportation today is going to be the bikes. Really cheap and really easy to use, to be honest. They have designated bike lines all across Beijing, and it's like a 2.4 kilometers away from the hotel, so pretty good. So I'm heading towards the entrance of Tiananmen Square. I mean, there is no designated entrance for the square. It's like there are multiple entry points and everything is packed with police. We are talking about like security everywhere, multiple checks. They check your bag, check your passport multiple times. It's like a layer, like an onion. You go layer by layer until you get in. And now I'm back in the first layer, so it's gonna take some time. Just got through the second security layer. And now we are heading, I think, to the final entrance. There is security absolutely everywhere. Like, it's like some, I don't know, national threat or something. I mean, at the end of the day, this is like the heart of China. So we have made it through security. Like I said, 3-layer security. You get your passport checked. Then you get later your passport checked again with your ticket. And then you get your passport again checked only, and this time everything. You get scanned, you get first get you get everything. So they check if you have anything in your pockets. They check even your phone case. If you have your phone case, if there's anything inside, like they don't play around here. And after that, you get to see this view. There was another option to check in through security, but only if you didn't have any bags, meaning also a bag like this. So if you want to go faster, don't bring any bags. Just bring your passport, phone, and that's it. It's going to be much easier because I had to wait like maybe 20 minutes. One. So I just found somewhere to get into. To be honest, like again, I'm the most ignorant guy. I never search, I never read anything, I just go. I saw the first door, I went into it, paid 2 yuan, which is almost 20 cents, and yeah, it looked good. It's like a park. Something about the 3 axes of power or something like that, so let's see what it is, to be honest. I don't know, but it looks really cool. Oh, look at this. Let's get this thing translated. Cyprus is said to be the first tree planted by Ming Emperor Chengzu. Personally, shortly after the temple was built, when the temple was complete, they began to plant cypress all over the compound, but 2 attempts failed because of the quality of the soil. At the suggestion of the craftsman, the sandy soil in the compound was replaced with the fertile soil from the northeastern corner of the Forbidden City, and the emperor was invited to plant the first tree, which grew very well. God damn, no. They were honest. It grew really very much. They even have support for the tree branches. Otherwise they'll probably fall. So it looks very good, to be honest. Really, really cool. Like I said, I didn't even know what I got into, but 100% recommend it again. Some food plates for the cats. So this place resembles the sacrifice site at the Ming Dynasty, and yeah, they were slaughtering all types of animals for sacrificing purposes, and this was like a water well to wash them. Really cool. So I did the stupidest mistake someone could do, and I went through the park that you saw previously, and I realized, okay, I will check it out and go head back to the main square. Well, guess what? You don't have an exit. You have to go all the way out, bordering everything, and then you have to go through the 3-layer of security again. So I spent like 45 minutes again doing all the checking stuff to get back here at the main entrance that you saw previously. So now I am able to like discover everything again. So please, if you come here, don't do the same mistake. Go to the park. The last thing you do is just go to the park. Don't do it as the first main thing, because otherwise you are gonna spend like 1 hour plus doing everything again. So yeah, don't be that stupid and read the signs. Don't be like me. So we finally made it completely inside the Tiananmen Square. It is giant, like the biggest thing ever, and also super beautiful. And you can also notice how the Chinese people are really proud of of their country. They are holding the flag, holding stickers. You can feel the proudness and the nationality inside their hearts. As I mentioned at the beginning of the video, this is the place where that famous picture was taken. The guy with the shopping bags confronting a column of tanks. And the story behind is China did a crackdown in 1989 on a pro-democracy protest that happened for like 6 weeks straight, and that's the day after the government of China at the time cleared out the whole Tiananmen Square for this anti-communist protest, pro-democracy protest, and that is the result of that picture. Someone confronting the great power of the Chinese government. So I came back to the hotel around lunchtime. Now it's 9 p.m. I had to take care of some work related stuff. That's why I didn't go out. So it was pretty busy, to be honest. And right now it's nighttime. So we will probably use the time to get some dinner quickly by 7-Eleven, and I will continue editing this video. That's it. I also packed everything for tomorrow. As I mentioned before, we will be leaving at around 5 a.m. so we can get on time to the plane for the next city, which is going to be really, really good. We'll give you one hint. There are many lights, too many lights. That's the only hint I will give you. And this is today's humble setup. We have some tuna wraps, this thing here, some juice, octopus balls, and a cookie. And last but not least, some labubu egg, high in protein.